एग्जाम शक्ति चैनल रे आपन मानक स्वागत। दयाकरी चैनल टी सब्सक्राइब करंतु। असंत आज हम देखिबा कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल लो 50 टी क्वेश्चन। या बेसिक रो एडवांस रहइबो। कंप्यूटर हम एक सीरीज वीडियो आनिबा। यह हेउची प्रथम वीडियो। चलो 1 equal how many bytes? 4 2 8 32. Answer A 4. Next question. What does the CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit, Central Program Utility, Computer Personal Unity, Central Processor Utility. Answer A, Central Processing Unit. Next question. Which is the brain of the computer? RAM, hard disk, CPU, motherboard. C, CPU. Next. What is RAM? Read-only memory, random access memory, rapid access memory, reserve access memory. B, random access memory. Which memory is volatile? ROM, hard disk, RAM, SSD. C, RAM. What does ROM stand for? Read-only memory, reusable object module, rapid operative mode, run once memory. A, read-only memory. What is the smallest unit of data? Byte, bit, kilobyte, word. B, bit. How many bits make a byte? 4, 8, 16, 32. Answer B, 8. Next, what is the function of a ALU? To take data, perform arithmetic and logical operation, control system resource, manage IO operation. Answer B, perform arithmetic and logic operation. What is an input device? Monitor, keyboard, printer, speaker. B, keyboard. Which is an output device? Mouse, keyboard, monitor, scanner. C, monitor. What does OS stand for? Object system, operating system, optical storage, output, resource. B, operating system. Main function of OS is perform calculation, manage hardware and software, create document, play music. B, manage hardware and software. What is a booting? Shutting down the computer, starting the computer, restart the computer, loading a program. B, starting the computer. What is a file? A hardware component, a collection of data storage with a name, a type of a memory, an application software. B, a collection of data stored with a name. What is a folder or a directory? A file type, a hardware component, a container for files, a memory location. A file type. What is the GUI? General User Interference. B, Graphic User Interference, Global User Input, Graphic Unit Interference. B, Graphic User Interference. Cache memory is A, slower than RAM, faster than RAM, equal to RAM speed, non-volatile. B, faster than RAM. What is software? Physical hardware component, program and operating system, a storage device, input device. B, program and operating system. What is hardware? Program installed on computer, physical component of a computer, internet connection, operating system. B, physical component of a computer. What is the motherboard? Main circuit board in a computer, a storage device, a processing unit, memory module. A, main circuit board in a computer. What is a hard disk? Temporary memory, permanent storage device, processing unit, input device. B, permanent storage device. What is SSD? Solid state drive, super storage device, sequential storage device, static state device. Solid state device. Answer is A. SSD faster than hard disk, RAM, ROM, cache. Answer A, hard disk. What is a register? Storage device, very fast memory in CPU, input device, output device. Answer B, very fast memory in CPU. What is bandwidth? Speed of a processor, wide of a data path, memory size, storage capacity. B, wide of a data path. What is network? Single computer, connection computer sharing resource, storage system, operating system. Answer B, connected computer sharing resource. What is an IP address? Internet password, unique identifier for computer, service location, website address. Answer B, unique identifier for computer. What is HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hypertransfer Text Protocol, Home Text Transfer Protocol, Hypertechnical Tool Protocol. Answer A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What is bandwidth in networking? Speed of a network connection, size of file, memory available, processor speed. Answer A, speed of a network connection. What is a virus? Hardware component, malicious software program, storage device, operating system. B answer, malicious software program. What is encryption? Storing data, converting data into code, deleting file, copying file. B, converting data into code. What is a firewall? Hardware device, security barrier or software, storage system, memory module. Answer B, security barrier or software. What is the binary? Decimal number system with 0 and 1, hexadecimal system, octa system. Answer B, number system with 0 and 1. What is hexadecimal? Base 8 number system, base 16 number system, base 10 number system, base 2 number system. Answer B, 16 number system. What is the function of a compiler? Executed code, translate source code to machine code, debug program, run program. Answer B, translate source code to the machine code. What is an interpreter? Executed code line by line, translate entire code at once, debug program, storage files. Answer A, executes code line by line. What is a database? A program, organized collection of data, hardware device, operating system. Answer B, organized collection of data. What is a server? Client computer, computer providing service to client, storage device, input device. Answer B, computer providing service to client. What is the cloud computing? Weather forecasting, computing service via internet, local networking, service storage only. Answer B, computing service via internet. What is the bandwidth? Processor speed, memory capacity, data transfer rate, storage space. Answer C, data transfer rate. What is a pixel? Picture element on screen, storage unity, memory location, processing unity. Answer A, picture element on screen. What is the resolution? Problem solving, number of a pixel display, color depth, refresh rate. Answer B, number of a pixel display. What is a web page? A page in a document on the internet, physical page, storage page. Answer B, document on the internet. What is a URL? Unified resource locator, universal resource line, user resource location, unified routing logic. Answer A, unified resource locator. What is a SMTP? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Simple Message Transfer Program, System Mail Test Protocol, Simple Media Transfer Protocol. Answer A, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. What is artificial intelligence? Human intelligence, machine mimicking intelligence, natural intelligence, basic compilation. Answer B. Machine mimicking intelligence. What is the function of a BIOS? Manage display, initially hardware on startup, run application, store files. Answer B. Initialize hardware on startup. What is a multitasking? Running one program, running multi-program simultaneously, storing multiple files, multiple user access. Answer B. Running multiple programs simultaneously. What is the visualization? Reality simulation, creating virtual computer system, internet browsing, data storage. Answer B. Creating virtual computer system. Thank you.